Hello all, welcome to National Defense Institute. This is me, Arvind. Today we are going to discuss about intelligence. Okay, so yeah, we are going to start a new initiative for intelligence, and that is going to be a series of videos regarding this intelligence topic for Sainik and RMS. So this video consists of all those topics which is involved in this intelligence subject for Sainik and RMS, and let us check out what are the topics. Before that, we have to know what is intelligence and what are the parts of intelligence. See, this intelligent topic or subject is having 25 questions in general. So each question will be having 2 marks. There is no negative marking in the intelligence topic, and then 2 marks, and total of 50 marks is for this in this subject. Okay, yes. So we'll just discuss about the topics inside this intelligence. Okay, so these are the topics that we already seen in the previous questions of intelligence, and the intelligence topic is divided into 2. One is the verbal part, the other one is the non-verbal part. Okay, so and these are the topics which is involved in this verbal and non-verbal part. Okay, so as you all can see, water images, mirror images, coding and decoding, embodied figures, paper cutting and folding, arrangement, odd one out, series, analogy, image analysis, dot situation, clock in calendar, blood relations, Venn diagram, missing characters, direction sense, arithmetical reasoning, and miscellaneous topics of all these intelligence questions. Okay, now today we are going to start with the first and foremost topic, which is the easiest of all, water images. Okay, water images, let us start. Yes, what is water image? Water image is nothing but the reflection what we see in the water. Any object which has been reflected in the water is called water image. And one good thing about water images is the top and bottom will change, but not the right and left side. Okay, so today we will check out what are the questions, types of questions that may arise in the water images, and then we'll get to solve those questions in minimum. Okay, and this is the part 1 video of water images. In part 2 video, you will get to solve a lot of questions in water images. Okay, yes, let's get started. First, reflection of an object in a water is called water image. Okay, and this happens due to the phenomenon called vertical inversion. There is something called vertical. Okay, top to bottom is called vertical, and left to right or right to left is called horizontal. Okay, yes. Now in this water image, we are going to discuss about the vertical inversion, which is top to bottom, which means the top becomes bottom and the bottom becomes top. Okay, as you all can see this image over here and this one. So you can just see that the plants, the top part is actually called as the real image. Okay, and the bottom part is called as the water image. It's nothing but the reflection of water. Okay, and here you can also see here, this is the city, cyber city over here, which could be in the future. And this is the real image, and this is the water image of that city. Okay, so 2 things we have to take. One is the reflection of water, and second one is the vertical inversion, and that is the phenomenon which is happening inside the water image. Next, we will check out about the types of water images. Okay, first type is the alphabet based, second is the number, third is the combination of both alphabet and number. Okay, alphanumeric, and fourth is the images. Okay, which is the non-verbal part. Okay, and fifth one is the clock based questions. Clock based, that is the analog clock. Nowadays we have digital clock, analog clock. Okay, so in today's class we will be discussing about the analog clocks. Okay, yes. Next, first topic of ours is the alphabet, and this is how the alphabets of real image and the water image. Okay, these are the alphabets of capital letters. Okay, small letters, as you all know and you can see. Okay, this is how the inversion takes place in the alphabets, guys. A, you can see that how A is getting inverted, B, C, in capital as well as small is being getting inverted. Okay, I'll just show you some of the alphabets which are just complicated and which is very tough to write, like yes. Okay, you may think that yes will not change. Yes will change. Okay, and Z. Okay, U is very simple and easy. W is very simple. W becomes M. Okay, yes. And look at the T, Q, and R. Okay, so these are the events. These are the things which we have to make sure. Okay, and the next one, we'll check out the next one. Okay, these are the list of alphabets of capitals. Okay, capital alphabets. These are the normal real image, and the below you can see the water image of each alphabet. As you can pause the video and take a good look at this. Yes, and you can also check out the alphabets of small letters. Okay, yes. So these are the alphabets, and below you can just see the water images of the small alphabets. Okay, see how A is getting converted, B, C, D, E. Okay, yeah. So just tell me, you can just look at the images and tell me what are the alphabets which is not changed. Yeah, probably you'll say O. Yes, O will not change. X will not change. Then what is not changing? I. Yes, I will change. What is not changing? Okay, tell me what is not changing in the comments, and then yeah, look at the question over here. This is the question part. I'll give you 10 seconds. Just tell me how the questions are solved for this. Okay, you have to tell me the water images of this word alphabet nuclear. Okay, and these are the 4 options given to you. Your time starts now. Yes. Now we will check out how would, let us get the answer for this. Okay, nuclear. N-U-C-L-E-A-R. Nuclear. Okay. So we are going to draw the water image for N. Okay. So the water image of N, it is going like this. This is the water image. So now what we are going to do is we are going to eliminate the options which is not like this at the starting. Okay. So what are the options we can eliminate is number 1. It is starting with R, so it should not start with R. So we will eliminate option 1. Okay, and then next one is the U. U comes like this, and then the U switches over here. So now we can eliminate option 3. You can see U is unchanged over here. Yeah, U should change. U should change like this. Okay, so we are going to eliminate option 3 as well. By the elimination method, if you approach the examination of Sainik, you can crack the examination with ease. Okay, then second one and fourth one is the left of the options for us. C, C, and then L. Okay, you can just look at the options over here. L should be turned out to be here like this. Okay, L should be changed like this. Okay, by that means we can just conclude that option 2 is not the correct answer, option 4 is the right answer. Okay, so this is how we have to approach the question. Okay, we'll check out the next question. Okay, you just try to solve the next question over here. Check out this. Same 10 seconds starts now. Yes. Now we will check out the answers for this question. Wrote W-R-O-T-E. Now we have the small letters, small alphabets. W will be like this. Okay. R will be written like this. Okay. And then O, and then T. Okay. And then E. Yeah. E is bit tough. G is bit tough. Q sometimes is tough. Okay. Yes. All these are tough. Right. So this should be our answer. Let's check out what is the right answer. Look at this. Yeah. So can you just say R is unchanged over here in 1? So we can eliminate R. Okay. And what about number 2? How can we eliminate number 2? So T is inverted. T is like this. Okay. T is like this. Okay. So this is eliminated. And what about number 3 or 4? Which one is correct? So there is a minute difference over here in E. So W same, R same, O same, T same. But there is a significant difference in E. Okay, so E should be like this. If you have E like this, the E should be like this. In that case, our correct answer is option number 3, not 4. Okay, so this is how you answer the alphabet based questions of water images. Okay, let's check out the next one, guys. What is the next type? Yes, next type is the numericals. Okay, numbers. So this is how the numbers will be changed from top to bottom. The left and right side of the numbers will remain constant. Okay, this is how the numbers will change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 0. As you all know that alphabet O and 0 will not change, will be as it is in the water image plus the mirror image. Okay, so let us check out the answers question for this question. So this is going to be a combination of alphabet and number, which is alphanumeric questions. Okay, the time starts now. Yes, now we'll get out the answer for this. PQ8AF5BZ9. Okay, so P should be converted like this. Okay, so we can eliminate option where P is not like this. Okay, we will check all the P's are like this, and let's move on to Q. Q should be like this. The strike should be like this over here. Okay, now we can eliminate options. So we have Q over here is not like this, so we can eliminate Q. And the next one is 8. 8 should not be changed. Okay, so 8 is as it is in all the options. 8 are same. A is also same in all the options, all 3 options. And then F, how F should be changed? F should be changed like this. Okay, yes, this is how it should be changed. And then you can just see that F is not changed in all the options, whereas 5, okay, we don't have any difference in 5. And then B, no difference. Z, do we have a difference? Yes, we do have a difference. Z should be changed like this. Okay, here Z is not changed, so this is also wrong. Okay, you can also see that these two options are having Z as same, whereas the last one, which is 9. Okay, 9, number 9 is not number 6. Number 9 comes like this. This is not 6. 9 is not 6 in the water image. 6 is not 9 in the water image. Okay, you should be knowing that. And then over here 9 is 6 in option 2. So this is also wrong, incorrect. So the correct answer is option 4. If your answer is option 4, congratulations, you have learned the water images of number as well as the alphabets. Okay, let's check out the next question. I'll just give you a next question. Okay, just try to solve the next question. Here we go. This is the next question. Same timing starts now. Yes. So now we'll get to know the answers for this. So we'll start from E. So E should be unchanged, guys. In water images, E is unchanged, whereas you can just check out the first and third option. E is inverted. So we can readily eliminate these two options. This is how we have to answer the questions in Sainik School examination or any competitive examination. We have to eliminate the options as soon as possible. Okay. Next one, check out 8. 8 is same. T. We can just look at the difference between T over here and here. Okay. Check out this one. Okay, don't go for the option first. Check out this one. What is different from here to here? Option D to E. Okay, so normal T should be like this, and then the answer, the water image of T should be like this. Isn't it? Isn't it? Oh yeah. Check out this. The T is something like this. So this is wrong. The answer is option 4. Well done. If you have got the correct answer. Now let us check out the next one, guys. Okay. Let us check out the next one. What would be the next one is nothing but the images non-verbal part. Okay, words and numbers are one hand, which is the verbal. Okay, and the non-verbal are images, guys, pure images. So these are the images. Okay, all you can see that water images over here. Yes, so these are the water images non-verbal part. We are going to discuss questions with that. Before we are going to discuss, we are going to clarify a few things regarding the water images of images. Okay, see the triangle. How the triangle in the normal image. In the top row, you can just see that these are the normal images. At the bottom row, the second row is the water image of those real image. Okay, real water image. See, normal triangle, inverted triangle. Okay, how a star is seen. Square is unchanged. So a circle. Okay, so the direction arrow is not changed because it is showing the right side direction. Okay, and this is called a trapezium, guys. Okay, 4-side figure is called quadrilateral, and this is one among the quadrilateral, and it is called trapezium. Okay, 5-sided figure is called pentagon. Okay, and you can just see that how pentagon is changed and heart shaped. Okay, and so as this upcoming shapes. Okay, this is called a parallelogram, and you can just see or witness, get to learn that how it is changing. Okay, it is not going in the same direction as square. Okay, it is changing in a different way. Whereas you can see this one is the hexagon. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-sided figures are hexagon, and then you can just see the arrow marks, which is very, very important, guys. Arrow marks are very, very important. You can just see that right moving arrows, right and left will not change. Top and bottom will only change. Okay, top becomes bottom and bottom becomes top. Okay, yes, right moving arrows and left moving arrows will not change. Okay, whereas if your arrow is going up in the water image, the arrow should go down. Okay, when the arrow is tilted towards your right side or going up in this direction, in water images, it is the opposite towards this direction. Okay, so as this one. Okay, this is the opposite going this way and this way. Okay, and this is the infinity shape. Any shape you just take it, top and bottom will change. The left and right side will never change in the water images question. Okay, now let us get to know in detail about this. Okay, you can just see that left and right side of the image remains the same, whereas top and bottom of the object will change. You can see that in the real image, the left side, you may think that this is a tomato, but it is not, it is an apple. Okay, consider this is an apple, and the right side you can see an orange. Okay, yes, an apple and an orange. Apple is in the left side of this, okay, of yours, okay, of yours, and the orange is the right side. Okay, you can just see the mirror water image of this. The hat which is in the top position, okay, this is the water, okay, top. In the top position comes at the bottom. This is the bottom. Okay. You all can see that the legs over here, which is in the bottom position. In the water image, it comes at the top. Okay, it comes at the top. Okay. So this is how top and bottom will change. Left and right will not change. The apple remains same in the left side. The orange remains same in the right side. Okay. So this is how it works, guys. and I want you to solve few questions. Let us start. Okay, the same timing starts now. Yes. Now let us get to know this given figure X is the question figure. Okay, and these are the answer figures for that. You have to choose one which is correct. Okay, yes. So you can just see that the arrow mark is just pointing towards this direction. So whenever the arrow mark pointing towards, hold on, guys, hold on. Yes. So yeah, whenever the arrow mark is pointing towards this direction, okay, and there is you can see the circle at the end of the arrow mark. Okay, and in the water image it should be the opposite. This is how a direction of arrow mark should be in the water image. This is the real image and water image. Okay, and you have to match this arrow mark with the following questions. You can see that option 1 is having the same direction, 2 same direction, 3 is not having the same direction. Readily see that there are 3 options left. Even that you can eliminate one option 1, whereas the arrow mark, the arrow mark is actually having an original shape, whereas in the question image you can see there is a circle over here. So we can eliminate option 1 as well. Okay, in option 1 and 4, these are the 2 options left. And next we will check out the next, which is the arrow mark and the actual arrow, bow and arrow shape. Okay, so this is pointed towards this direction. Okay, if this is pointed towards this direction, it's 2, and there is 2 things over here, and that should be changed, and this should be happening over here. This should be the water image. This has to be the water image. Okay, so when we have eliminated these 2 options, the 1 and 3 we have eliminated, 2 and 4 is there. 2 and 4 is having the same thing. Okay, but there is one thing which is different. Yes, now by now you would have guessed it. Okay, so this area should be the opposite like this. Okay, it should be coming at the top. Okay, not like this. Okay, not like this. When you have a triangle which is inverted, in the water image you should have a triangle like this. Okay, not like this. Okay, this is the same as the question. As you can see, this option 4 is having the same as the question. So option 4 is incorrect. The correct answer is option 2. So this is how you have to solve questions, by eliminating the options in order to lessen the number of time in your Sainik School examination or RMS examination. Okay, yes, let's check out the next question, guys. Next question. Try to solve the next question. Same timing starts now. Yes, let's get to know the answers now. So you can see that there is a box. Okay, in the box, let me just draw the water image of the box over here. Same box I'll be having. Okay, so the left and right side will change or not? Will not change. Okay, so I will be having the X over here. Before that I have to part this box. Okay, half and half. This top part becomes at the bottom. Okay, this bottom part becomes the top. So I'll be having the circle over here. Okay, and the X over here and the box over here. Okay, you can just see that the box, inside the box there is a line which is having a diagonal slash from here to here. Okay, whereas if you have a line from here to here, in the water image the line should be from here to here. Okay, now we'll just draw a line from here to here. Okay, and then the shade, can you see the shade in the circle? The circle is having a shade at the bottom. Bottom is shaded. When it is in the water image, the same circle should be present, and the shade should be coming at the top part, top area. Okay, so this is how the question answer should be. Okay, as you can see that 1 can be eliminated since the shade is not there. Okay, 2 can be eliminated since the X is not in the left side. Okay, so we can eliminate it, and then we can eliminate option 3 or 4, which is the correct answer, because we are having a slash towards this side. We can eliminate option 4. Okay, so 4 is having a slash, which is actually in the side of question. So our correct answer must be question option 3. Okay, yes, this is how you have to solve the questions. Next, we'll just move on to the next one. Yes, the next one is actually the easiest of all, which is nothing but the clocks water images. Okay, so as you all can see that the position of the minute and the hour hand changes in water images and the time as well. Okay, for example, as you all can see that this is the real image. For the representation, I have just kept yellow arrow mark as the real image and green as the water image. Okay, so if the yellow mark points towards the 12, okay, and the green mark should point towards the direct opposite, which is 6. Yes, and if this gets changed when the clock's direction is changed. Okay, for example, the yellow mark, the real image, is pointing towards 1. Earlier it was 12, now it is just changed to from 12 to 1. Now here the water images is changed from 6 to 5. Okay, and then the next one, as you can see, okay, 2, 4. So it is 6, 12, 1, 5, 2, 4. And what happens at the time of 3? You just guess it. Okay, yes, both will be remaining in the same position, guys. Yeah, both will be remaining in the same position. By the way, right side and left side will not change, okay? And the top and bottom will change accordingly. Okay, yes. So now I'm just going to switch from 3 to 9. Both the arrow marks is going to be at 9. Okay, like this. So the left and right side will not change. Top and bottom will definitely change. Okay, that is the concept of water images. Okay, so imagine that I'm going to just draw a real image. Okay, I'm just going to point out. You are going to tell me what is it. Okay, if I'm just pointing out at 11, you just guess it. You just guess it. You don't have to tell me, but just guess it. Okay, yes, the answer would be the opposite is opposite of 11. In the water images, this would be 7. Exactly. Okay, and what about 10? 10 is 8. Yes. Okay, yes. And what if I just point out the pointer, the real image? This is the real image. This is the water image. Okay. What if the pointer is going towards between 2 and 1 like this? Okay. How? Yes. Here also you should know that 12 is 6. 1 is 5, okay, and 2 is 4. So the arrow mark is between 1 and 2. It should be between 4 and 5. So you just draw the arrow mark over here between 4 and 5. And this is how it works. It is the vice versa, the opposite. Okay, I'll just tell you something. If the arrow mark is pointed towards 8, okay, if the arrow mark is pointed towards 8 in the water image, you can just see that if the arrow mark is pointed towards 8, okay. And in the real image, this is the real image, this is the water image. Okay, in the water image, what happens? This should be pointed towards 10. Exact opposite, that's all. 10. Okay. Yeah, this is 10. That is the opposite. So 10 is 8, 8 is 10. That's all. This is how it works in the water images. Okay. Now let us just get to solve these questions of clock. Okay. Start solving these questions. Okay, this is how it works. Okay. I'm just going to show you one more question, one more actual question how this is going to work out. Okay. Again, the position of the minute and hour hand changes in water images, and the time as well. Time also will change. Okay. Yes. Over here in the real image, you can just see that is 11:55. 11:55. Yes. And in the water image, 11:55. Imagine this is 11:55. Okay. Yes. And the water image, you can just see that the time is 6:35. This is the exact opposite of this. Okay. Yes. Yeah, 6:35. This is the hour hand and this is the minute hand. Okay, so this is how it works, and I just want you guys to find out how to solve the next question. Go ahead and solve the next question, guys. And these are the 4 options which is given to you. Try to find out the answer. The real image question is, yes, the question is 9. The question is 9. Okay, 9 AM or PM. It is fine. AM or PM. 9. Okay. When the real image is 9, the water image is shown like this. Okay. Imagine this is 12. This is 6. Okay. Yeah. The same time 9, 3. Now tell me what is the time. Okay. These are the 4 options for you. 9:35, 6:30, 6:45, and 9:30. Your time starts now. Yes. So the answer is correct. 9:30 is the right answer. Okay. Let's just check out the next question. Let us check out the next question, guys. Look at here now. Again, one more question. Real image and water image. Okay. Find out what is the time. The real image time is 8:03 AM or PM. 8:03. What is the time in water image? Yes. As you all can see that 8 is 10. Okay. So that is why we had 10. Okay. So from here to here there is a deviation. So you can just see that this is 3. And the opposite should be from 25 to 30. Okay. 25 to 30. Yeah. This is 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So in between 25 to 30, that should be your minute. Okay. So yes, so it is nothing but 10, 27. That is the right answer. So guys, as you can see that this is the part 1 video. Yes, this is just the part 1 video of water images. And the part 2 video, you will be having a list of questions of water images where you can just solve and answer in the comments. Okay. So for more videos, you can subscribe to our channel and follow us on YouTube. And this is the course which we provide in NDI. both offline as well as online courses. So if you want to enroll or if you want coaching for Sainik or RMS examinations, you can just call this number which is given in the description as well as the screen. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Happy learning.